Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Walmart and build affiliate store links, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Walmart affiliate program website. Look for the Join Now button on the homepage. Click on the button to start your registration process. Fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets their security criteria. Read and accept the terms and conditions of the program. Once you complete the registration form, submit it for review. Check your email for a verification message from Walmart. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Log in to your newly created Walmart affiliate account. After logging in, complete your profile by filling in your website or social media details. Provide information about how you plan to promote Walmart products. Explore the available links and banners in the affiliate dashboard. Choose the type of products you want to promote. Click on a product to generate your unique affiliate link. Copy the affiliate link and save it for your marketing efforts. Monitor your clicks and commissions through the affiliate dashboard. Use the tools provided to create engaging content for your audience. Regularly update your links as needed to ensure accuracy. Engage with the Walmart affiliate community for support and tips. Follow trends and promotions on Walmart to enhance your marketing strategies. Stay informed about any program updates or changes from Walmart. Always adhere to Walmart's advertising guidelines to maintain a good standing. This concludes the registration and link building process for Walmart's affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.